I've seen many videos of this uncle, but this by far is the video that most disappoint me. I am startled and shocked that he finally revealed the true racist he is. He's uttermost racist. He's a closet racist. He tries to appear not to be racist, but he is actually racist. Let me explain why. Listen through. Now, he is saying that the only way to solve Iran's problem is to go invade Iran. Go in and do whatever. The point is what? You think America is that stupid? They have their intelligence. You think they're dumb? If they could, they would have lah. Senang cerita, senang cakap. Firstly, even by just sending their ships, they get bombed. 4 ballistic missiles, Mark 5 missiles just went and hit and damaged the latest, the topmost carrier is damaged. They can't even come near. Their Delta Force tried to drop down. 173 got caught, the rest got killed. 173 are prisoners of war. Tengok George Galloway punya video, what he revealed. So the point is, Iran is not that weak. Iran also got their own set of Delta Force. That is their own turf, and with their terrain, it's not easy. It's not that the American army is lousy. Iran is very prepared and very equipped. So this uncle suggests, to settle there. And then what shocks me is that he goes on to say, well, it depends on which side you are. Whether you support Iran or you support America. If you are a Muslim, then you will support Iran. If you're non-Muslim, then you will support America and Israel. You see how he profiles people. So maknanya, he's saying he's actually representing the non-Muslims. Non-Muslims. If you are non-Muslim, then you are anti-Islam. Iran pasal Islam. And Muslim will straight away anti-America and Israel because they are pro-Islam. Now, firstly, he is talking utter bullshit. If you look at Iran in there are Christians, there are Jews, there are even synagogues in Iran. Even in Iran, they are not racist. That's number one. Number two, siapa backing Iran? Siapa provide intelligence, strategy, protection and promise to defend Iran and to not allow Iran to be destroyed? Siapa? China. Is China Muslim? China bukan jenis disangka kah? Russia. Is Russia Muslim? Adalah Muslim in those countries, but they are minority. But the administration are non-Muslims. Those are the ones supporting. So pasal apa Russia dengan China tak support US dengan Israel? According to this warped logic of this racist uncle. Yang American bases, America punya bases that's used to attack Iran, duduk kat mana? Bukan in Gulf countries. Gulf countries bukan Muslim countries. Qatar bukan Muslim. Kuwait bukan Muslim. UAE bukan Muslim. Arab Saudi bukan Muslim. Jordan bukan Muslim. So now, these countries are allies of the US. And Iran bukan bantai the Muslim countries. So therefore, kok mana datang all this ugama thing that if you're non-Muslim, you support Israel, America. Maknanya dia support America, Israel lah. He supports the genocide of killing the Muslims. He's a bloody racist. I don't want to use the word bastard, but I have no choice. Racist bastard. Simple as that. The point is sekarang ni, all those Americans, all those countries yang hentam and bising pasal the genocide in Palestine. Orang macam uncle ni and many condemn kah? I got so many Chinese Malaysian friends, I got so many Indian friends whack and condemn the genocide by Israel. The whole world condemn. Tapi to this uncle, if you're non-Muslim, then you should not condemn. You should promote the killing. He didn't say this, but this is the implication of what he's suggesting. Kalau you Muslim, Hamas bunuh innocent people pun tak apa, you sokong juga. It's not about what's right or wrong. It's all about what your religion you are. And if your religion is a non-Muslim, you align to the non-Muslim even though they are murderers. Kalau you're a Muslim, you must align to the Muslims even though they are terrorists or murderers. This is the outlook of this uncle that speaks volume to what his makeup and his construct of his character. This is what he is. Now, could it be that I'm misinterpreting him? Now, listen on subsequently to what he says. Suddenly he come and talk about Malaysia. Kuil Hindu, kuil apa semua. And he's trying to equate, see how the Muslims now, because you're Muslim, you are against the non-Muslim punya house of worship. And yang house of worship, yang non-Muslim is supporting the house of worship too. And he goes on to talk about, all this Zamri Vinod, this Firdaus Wong, even though they're Indian, even though they're Chinese, but because they're Muslim, they want to show this, they condemn that. So his hatred to the his hatred towards the Muslims, dia equate pun. Orang tu India ke China ke, the minute jadi Muslim, they now will be oppressing the non-Muslim, and the non-Muslim, nampak tak the way he's trying to equate Muslim dengan non-Muslim. This war got nothing to do with that. Tapi when he says that, this is how he perceives things. He is a racist-minded bigot. And to me, he just exposed himself. I have no respect for this person anymore. It is so idiotic. And to me, he doesn't even have the decency to actually condemn the killing of babies and everything. Zero lah. Bagi dia, Palestine punya isu dia takkan raise pun. Why? Because memang patut Muslim kena tindas, because in this country Muslim tindas non-Muslims. Nampak? Bigotry begets bigotry, racist begets racism. Okay, racism begets racism, bigotry begets bigotry. And orang macam ni is not building a better Malaysia. These are the cancer of the society. And siapa nak forward video dia, forward lah. But to me, he just exposed himself. And I am disgusted. To me lah, I am against any racist. I don't care even if it's my kind. I'm against any bigot, even if it's from my religion. I just hate those, because these are the people that makes this world miserable. Enough said.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.